Gauteng Co-operative Governance MEC Lebogang Maile says he won't appeal a Supreme Court of Appeal ruling in favour of the DA in the City of Tshwane. Maile says the Gauteng government will rather wait for a constitutional court decision on the matter. The MEC joins us now live. MEC, thanks for your time. We appreciate it. So you're waiting for the constitutional court to rule on this matter, but the Supreme Court of Appeals is agreeing with the High Court regarding this decision.
You're absolutely right. You will also note that it was a split decision of the Supreme Court. It was 3 against 2 judges. As you know, there's 5 judges. So it was not a unanimous decision. With the High Court previously, it was a unanimous decision. But on this one, it means there is an issue to be discussed by the Constitutional Court. And that's why there's 2 judges who sit on the bench who agree with us already. So the matter must be attended to by the Constitutional Court. It's a right thing to do.
And when are you expecting judgment on that?
Well, we wouldn't know. We wouldn't know. It takes a bit of time, but once they are ready, they will alert us. We are not in a hurry because we want the judges to do a thorough work in interpreting Section 139 as per our application.
Just regarding the findings from the High Court, Judge President Dunstan Mlabo declared the decision unlawful and set aside, even accusing the provincial government of interference in the affairs of the metro. What happens after the Constitutional Court ruling if it's in agreement with the Appeals Court?
Well, we hope they won't agree with them. But whatever the outcome of the Constitutional Court is going to be binding to all of us. We understand the importance of the courts and their role in the democracy, and we will be bound by whatever outcome. We will never do anything outside the laws of this country.
And then, MEC, you released the findings of that report into Sedibeng. Just for those who missed the findings, take us through what emerged from this report.
Well, there's a number of issues that are coming up. One of them is that the late municipal manager was actually not properly appointed, and he was also unlawfully paid more than what he was supposed to earn, which is 1.4. They ended up paying 1.8 million. There were some Section 56 managers who were appointed and who are not competent according to the report. The report wants councillors to pay from their, or rather it's recommending that they must pay back that money. We'll still make a determination of how much of it they must pay, because remember, it didn't go into their pockets, and we will also have to look at how can we recoup some of the money from the late municipal manager. There are companies, I think 2 law firms and 1 security company, which were found to have been paid when they were not supposed to be by the municipality, and therefore they're supposed to pay back some money, and we will be making sure that we instruct the state attorneys. And then there was an issue about some senior managers who must still be taken for a disciplinary hearing. One of them has misled the municipality. When she was appointed, she did not disclose that she was once expelled where she used to work. And the report of the senior counsel, Mukari, believes this is a material finding and it has to be dealt with. And then there's municipal employees who were moved around by the then city manager, the municipal manager, from their positions. Others who were charged, and it was found that, in fact, he was not supposed to have charged them. It was harassment. The municipality will have to pay back some money which was taken back from those employees. There was another one who was removed from her post of supply chain. They said she must be taken back. So there's quite a lot of findings on this report.
Yeah.
We are up to the task.
Just very quickly, in terms of accountability, who allowed all of this to happen and what action will be taken against them?
Well, there will be action against everybody, including the mayor, some councillors, chief whip. So the report is saying specifically who must be charged. And as I've said, it also recommends that the councillors must pay the money. So we have written to all of them, and because they will be charged as individuals, so they must be able to explain and provide reasons why they shouldn't be held liable. So everybody who's supposed to take responsibility will definitely take responsibility. We are going to ensure that happens through the state law advisors.
All right, thanks for your time. Appreciate it. Gauteng Co-operative Governance MEC Lebogang Maile.